Good morning, students. Today's topic is absorption isotherms. Today's class discussing about types of absorption isotherms and their applications. Absorption isotherms are defined as the plots drawn between amount of gas absorbed on the solid is taken on y-axis and against the equilibrium pressure is or concentration is taken on x-axis at a constant temperature. Absorption isotherms is a curve that expresses the variation in amount of gas absorbed by the absorbent with temperature at a constant pressure. There are different types of absorption isotherms can be studied. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and also 6. These are the different types of absorption isotherms studied in absorption of gases on the solid surfaces. These plots are graphing between pressure is taken on x-axis and amount of gas absorbed on the solid surface is taken on y-axis. Coming to type 1 absorption isotherm. By observing this graph, isotherm represents the significant increase in the absorption with increasing the pressure followed by leveling off. This leveling off occurs due to saturation of available specific chemical groups or entire surface is covered with monomolecular layer. This type of absorption isotherms can be understood by using Langmuir isotherm equation or Freundlich isotherm equation. Example of substances showing this type of absorption isotherms: nitrogen at or nitrogen gas at 78 kelvins or oxygen at 83 degrees kelvins on charcoal. Type 2 absorption isotherms. This type of isotherm produces sigmoidal shape, occurs when gases undergoes physical absorption onto a porous solids. In this graph, the first inflection point represents the formation of a monolayer. When further increasing the pressure, multi-layer can be formation occurs. This study can be described by BET equation. In BET equation, B is constant. In type 2 absorption isotherms, BET value is greater than 2. Examples are nitrogen gas on iron or platinum at 78 degrees kelvins. Type 3 absorption isotherms. These type of absorption isotherms can be seen rarely. In this type of absorption isotherms, heat of absorption of gas in the first layer is less than the latent heat of condensation of subsequent layers. In BET equation, the constant B is less than 2. Example of substances showing this type of absorption isotherms are bromine on silica or alumina. Type 4 absorption isotherms. This plot represents the absorption of gases on porous solids. In this graph, the first point of inflection extrapolated to the y-axis or 0 represents the monomolecular layer absorption. Condensation within the pores of the solid and multimolecular layer is represented by further absorption. Example of substances showing these type of absorption isotherms are benzene on silica gel. Next one, type 5 absorption isotherms. These type of absorption isotherms are also seen rarely. This is indicated by capillary condensation. Here absorption reaches a limiting value before P0 is attained. Examples are water vapor on charcoal at 100 degrees centigrade. Another type of absorption isotherm is type 6 absorption isotherm. This is also called as stepwise absorption isotherm. By observing the following diagram, you will observe steps like graph. Also called as stepwise isotherm. In this type of isotherm, associated with formation of complete monomolecular layer before each subsequent multilayer commences. The isotherm shows distinct step corresponding to the complete formation of each monolayer. These type of absorption isotherms arises from the absorption on extremely homogeneous non-porous surfaces where the monolayer capacity corresponding to the step height. Example of substances showing these type of absorption isotherms are krypton on carbon black at 90 degrees Kelvins. The first systematic attempt to classify absorption isotherms for gaseed on solid equilibrium was done by Brunner, Deming and Teller in 1940. These authors classified the isotherms into 5 types. This BDDT classification became core of modern of IUPAC classification of absorption isotherms. These BDTD isotherms and an additional one introduced much later by Singh, which complete the IUPAC classification as illustrated in diagrams of type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5 and type 6. These graphs are express the relationship between amount of gas absorbed on the surface of the solids against equilibrium partial vapor pressure. The many equations have been suggested to explain the relationship between amount of gas absorbed and their pressure of gases. As these equations quantitatively express the shape of graphs, they are referred as absorption isotherms. The most common of these equations are Freundlich absorption and Langmuir absorption equation and Brunner-Emmett-Teller absorption equations. These are the different types of absorption isotherms and their types. Thank you.